In this video, we're going to look at how to solve problems involving multiplying brackets. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to deal with problems involving multiplication of brackets easily. So ensure you stay to the very end of this video because I'm going to give you guys a practice question at the end of the video to test your knowledge on this topic. Okay, having done this, let's go into the details of the video. Alright, so let's begin with problems involving single brackets. Okay, so let's say you're given 4a in bracket, you have 3b, okay, minus 2c. I have to simplify this expression. Now, this algebraic expression, to solve this thing will result to 4a times 3b give us 12ab, all right? 4a times minus 2c will give us minus 8ac. Okay, so that will be the answer to this question. It's as simple as that. Now, single brackets are usually easy. They are easier than double brackets. Okay, now let's look at one more example before we go to double brackets, the ones you will mostly see in your maths. Okay, so let's say I give you another example. We have something like minus 4 in bracket 3p squared. Okay, we have minus 7a cubed. All right, and we asked to simplify this expression. So this will give us minus 4 times 3p squared will give us minus 12p squared. Okay, minus 4 times minus 7a cubed. Minus times minus will give us plus. So this will give us plus 28. All right, a cubed. Okay, so that will be the answer to this question. It's as simple as that. Okay, now let's wipe this and look at how to deal with problems involving double brackets, which is the kind of problems you see in maths. All right, so let's wipe this. Okay, now for double brackets, now let's begin with this problem, this example. Let's say we are given 2p, okay, minus 4, those brackets, and we have 3p plus 1. Now, how do you simplify this? Now, note, pay attention, guys, very important. If I deal with double brackets, now look at the easiest routes or easiest way to go about it. Firstly, this 2p in this bracket at the left, that's this bracket here, this 2p here, we firstly multiply everything here, all right, before this value here, this number term, we multiply everything here as well. So basically, this is how you express it. This will be firstly 2p multiply everything in this bracket, so it will be 3p plus 1. All right, then this negative 4 multiply everything in this bracket as well, so you have 3p plus 1. Okay, so when you simplify this, you're going to have 2p times 3p will give us 6p squared. All right, so this is 6p squared. 2p times 1 will give us 2p, that's plus 2p minus, now minus 4 times 3p will give us minus 12p. Okay, now we have minus 4 times minus 4 times 1, that's plus 1, give us minus 4. Now negative times positive give us negative. All right, so that's basically what we are doing. So when you simplify this, you're going to have, you collect like terms now. All right, so when you simplify, you're going to have 6p squared. All right, plus 2 minus 12 will give us minus 10p. Okay, now we have minus 4. This will be the answer to this question. It's as simple as that. This is a quadratic expression. We soon get to how to deal with problems involving quadratic equation. So this will be the answer to this question. Okay, so let's try this and look at another example. Okay, now what if we are given something like this? If we are given this guy in bracket 3x plus 5 squared, we are asked to simplify this algebraic expression. Now, note that this expression is the same thing as 3x plus 5. Alright, in bracket 3x plus 5. Alright, now don't go and do it this way. Let's say you begin to take this power and put it and allow everything in this bracket to possess this power. For instance, if you go and do it like this, 3 square x square plus 5 square, which is 9x square plus 25. Okay, so like if you do it this way, you are wrong, right? If you do it this way, you are totally wrong. Okay, so that's not the way you are ought to do it. Okay, this is absolutely wrong. Right now, when you are dealing with algebraic expressions now and you have positive or negative sign inside, don't do it like this. Alright, this is very, very wrong. This is the correct way to do it in algebra. Alright, it's only when there is no positive or negative sign in brackets that you can distribute the powers. Right, but when there is a positive negative sign inside the bracket, don't do it this way. This will be wrong. This is the right way to do it. Having known this, let's go ahead and expand this expression. So when you expand this expression as usual, this one inside first of all times everything here, then this number term also times everything here. So when you do it, you're going to have 3x in brackets 3x plus 5. Okay, then we have plus 5 in bracket 3x plus 5. So when you simplify for, they're going to have 3x times 3x give us 9x squared. Okay, then plus 3x times 5 will give us 15x, then plus 5 times 3x give us plus 15x, then plus 5 times 5 will give us plus 25. So when you simplify this further, you're going to have 9x squared, 15x plus 15x give us 30x plus 30x plus 25. Alright guys, so this will be the solution to this problem. Alright, so it is as simple as that. Let's wipe this now and look at how to deal with problems involving triple bracket, because these are the kind of problems you'll be seeing because they are usually tricky. Alright, so to give you the ones that will look tricky, you know that students will easily fail if you're not careful. Okay, but we're going to learn them the method to go about it easily, just like we have learned about this double bracket. So let's wipe this now, look at how to deal with problems involving triple brackets. Let's write this. Okay, now for triple brackets, let's say we are given this algebraic expression. We have x plus 2, and we have x plus 3, and we also have 2x minus 1. And we asked to simplify this algebraic expression. Alright, now note that whenever you are dealing with triple brackets or algebraic expression, your results will usually be a cubic equation. Okay, whereas when you are dealing with double brackets, your result will usually be a quadratic expression. Alright, so let's go ahead and simplify this slide together. Very, very simple. Now, firstly, you deal with double bracket first. So simplify the double bracket first. So when you simplify double bracket first, this will give us, as usual, this x will times everything here before this number time also times everything here. So when you do it, you're going to have x in bracket x plus 3. Alright, this is plus. Alright, we have plus 2 in bracket x plus 3. So when you simplify this guy, you're going to have x times x give us x squared plus 3x. Alright, then 2 times x will give us plus 2x plus 6. So when you simplify further, you're going to have x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, so this is basically what you are going to arrive at. So when you arrive at this, you can now multiply this quadratic expression with this guy, this linear expression. Alright, so we have x squared plus 5x plus 6. Alright, so this will times multiply 2x minus 1. Alright, so this linear expression here, so this is basically the next approach to follow. So once you have done this, the next thing will be to begin to multiply everything. So firstly, this 2x, we multiply everything here before this -1 term here, we multiply everything here as well. So let's do it, guys. Very, very simple. So let's begin with 2x. This is going to give us 2x in bracket x squared plus 5x plus 6. Alright, then we have -1 in bracket x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, so when you simplify, you're going to have 2x times x squared give us 2x cubed. 2x times 5x will give us plus 10x squared. Alright, 2x times 6 will give us plus 12x. Minus 1 times x squared will give us minus x squared. Minus 1 times 5x will give us minus 5x. Minus 1 times 6 will give us minus 6. Alright, so let's wipe up and complete this solution. Okay, so when you simplify further, you're going to have, for like that, you're going to have 2x cubed. Okay, now plus 10x squared plus, if we go like that, you're going to have plus 10x squared. Alright, minus x squared. Okay, then we have plus 12x minus 5x minus 6. Alright, we have dealt with collection of like terms in our previous video, but collecting like terms simply means breaking together the terms that look alike. So having collected like term, the next thing will be to break it down further. So our final results for this quadratic expression will be 2x cubed. Alright, 10x squared minus x squared give us plus 9x squared. 12x minus 5x will give us plus, okay, 7x. This is plus, not, okay, then minus 6. Alright guys, so this will be the final answer to this question. Alright, so this will be the algebraic expression of what we have here. Look at the question. X is the question, x plus 2. Okay, we have in bracket x plus 3. Okay, and we have in brackets 2x minus 1. Okay, so this is the outcome or result of simplifying this algebraic expression we have here. Alright guys, so it's as easy as that. This is basically how you can deal with problems involving triple brackets in algebra when you are simplifying them. Okay, now before we call this a class, let me give you a practice question we are going to attempt, and after we can call it a class. Let's wipe this. Okay, now let's say you are giving this in your maths exam. You're giving this problem 2p minus 3 in brackets all square. So how do you solve this problem? Now quickly pause this video and see if you can attempt it, but we'll solve it together here. Okay, so to begin with, this thing is same thing as 2p minus 3, okay, in bracket 2p minus 3. Alright, so when you simplify for, they're going to have, firstly, this 2p here, we multiply everything here, before the minus 3, we multiply everything here as well. So let's do guys, this will be the same thing as 2p in bracket 2p minus 3, so we have minus 3 in bracket 2p minus 3. So when you simplify for, they're going to have 2p times 2p give us 4p squared. By 2p minus 3 will give us minus 6p. Minus 3 times 2p will give us minus 6p. Minus 3 times minus 3 will give us plus 9. So when you simplify for, they're going to have 4p squared. Alright, minus 6p minus 6 will give us minus 12p plus 9. Alright, so this will basically be our answer to this question. So guys, this is basically how you can deal with problems involving single bracket, double brackets, and triple brackets, how you can simplify them in your maths. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Now, if you're new to our channel, make sure you check the description of this video below now for links to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join our Telegram channel for instant notification. Also, ensure you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. For more videos like this, So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel about what I've learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific question regarding this topic, feel free to leave or drop your question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright, that's it for this class, guys. Check the end screen above, click on it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.